sa profile nyo. So click your profile guys. So makikita nyo rito sa under your profile, your personal information, payment methods, and yung bago nila is yung Tabi Advance. Kung saan, pag pinindot natin yung Tabi Advance guys, makikita nyo is pwede tayong mag-cash advance into up to 8,000 dirhams guys. So, instant approval siya, transparent din yung fees niya. So, mababa lang yung mga fees niya. So, click natin yung get started. So, ito yung lalabas guys pag pinindot nyo yung get started dun sa Tabi Advance. So, mamimili ka lang guys ng amount kung magkano yung amount na utangin mo. So, 1,500, 2,000, 2,500, 3,000, 4,000, 5,000, 5,000, 5,500, 6,000, 6,500, 7,000, 7,500, and up to 8,000. So, pag 8,000 yung inutang mo, your monthly payment guys will be 2,930.67 dirhams. So, payable siya into 3 months.